have you here once again for another wealth building and affiliate marketing business strategy video with none other than me, Dr. Melva. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Melva of Dr. Melva TV on YouTube and the M360 Entrepreneurs community on Facebook. I'm a board certified radiation oncologist, wife, mom of 3, entrepreneur, and I love empowering female coaches, and I'm also an online coach. I inspire women and people who are determined and driven to start actively building the life of their dreams through businesses, passive income sources, and more. So today we are going to talk about something that's really important to every online entrepreneur's business. It is something that I enjoy doing myself and is really a big part of every single one of my business's overall marketing strategies. This is something you can do yourself and you can start with immediately after watching this video. It's none other than content creation. Watch till the end to get really helpful resources and ideas to start making effective and traffic generating content for your business right at this very moment. Subscribe to Dr. Melva TV on YouTube for your go-to guide in digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building for all the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. I provide helpful tips, recommendations, guides, and other instructional materials to start and nurture your business to its success, along with every video to really help you in achieving your goals and live the life you have been dreaming of. Doesn't that sound exciting? Click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Forming your mindset to one that is into the opportunity of making money in real estate and be on your way towards achieving the life you deserve. So it's really important that you use content, and when you're creating content, you become a content creator, that you're doing things that will maintain your relationship with your customers, you're generating products and services, they need traffic, right? But when I first started, I didn't know where to get content. I remember back when they used to have these websites and they would give you all the memes. You could do Google alerts to figure out like what was trending. And I used to have all these subscriptions to all these different websites, all these areas of inspiration. I was creating all this content and it was just a lot to keep up with. So what I want to do is help you with areas that you can strategically learn about content creation and look at the inspiration that's online to get content. You know, this video will give you everything that you need to begin right now without being overwhelmed, right? So let's get started with content creation. So there are different types of content that you can make for your business. These are the top 3 and most commonly used types of content. Number 1, written, articles, blog posts. Number 2, visual, graphics and videos. Number 3, podcast. But depending on your niche, the type of audience you have, the platform you're using, and the marketing approach you're implementing, you may explore the following as well: polls, surveys, reviews, interviews, infographics, webinars, worksheets, checklists, printables, lists, newsletters, data reports, memes, quizzes, written or online, contests with prizes. Number 2, research. It is the key element of content creation, and it has 2 main parts. The first part is keyword research. Your content must be keyword focused in order for it to reach the right people, the right target audience, right? You want to make sure that you know your target audience and you know what they want and what they're already looking for, okay? Keywords help, search engines like Google identify the information given on any topic posted on the internet. They use keywords as a basis of how relevant the online content is, and it also helps with the ranking in the search results. So you want your content to be keyword rich, right? So here's the most common method of researching keywords or topics to write content about, using popular search engines, of course, like Google. Step 1, think of and list down at least 3 keywords for a specific topic. Step 2, go to Google, search and type in each of the keywords and jot down the first 5 to 10 suggestions given by Google search. And you'll look and they'll just drop down and you can see that. Step 3, choose the topic you want to focus on from one of the suggested searches by Google. Step 4, check the first 5 websites that come up and check their frequently asked questions or blogs or articles page. And step 5, you may want to use these and this information you've gathered as a basis of what content to create, as these are the most searched or asked questions by people searching the internet about a certain keyword. The second part is content research. This part is half research and half of your creative ideas. It could be a mix of your personal testimony and experience. Everyone loves stories. Stories sell, okay? And some of the recommendations you can find from other resources on the internet. So make sure to highlight relatable issues or problems your target audience may have and the solution that your product provides them. Solution, problem. And in some reviews from happy customers and attractive images or videos as well. Like, you want to have testimonies, okay? So I go into detail about keyword and content research in the free affiliate marketing guide, downloadable through the link in the description box below, in much more detail for you, okay? Again, it's free and definitely worth checking out. Number 3, make your content engaging and as interactive as possible. Include polls or easy to answer questions in between points and encourage your audience to share their thoughts, engage with other audiences, and maybe even invite other people to engage with your content. What type of content do you think best suits your business? Written, visuals? Share it in the comments below. Number 4, find the best platform to post your content to. Determine which platforms on social media are commonly used by your target markets and focus all the content creation there and make sure it's optimized to the users of that platform. Learn the best practices done on these platforms to be able to get the right people to see your business and notice your products and services. Focusing on the wrong people is going to get you nowhere, right? Number 5, enjoy and keep creating content. Content creation is an ongoing process. Not all your content will gain attention and views right away, but when these steps are done diligently and well-planned content creation and posting strategies are in place, it will eventually generate more traffic to your referrals and help you to keep your business in the eye of your current customers and attract more as time goes by. So keep doing your research, keep producing quality content that you believe will add value to your audience's lives. Like, don't give up, okay? Because this is a process where you're going to continue to tweak. It's trial and error. Like, seriously, I think all of us have had content that we put out and we thought was fantabulous, and like, it bombed. Nobody even liked it, commented, and or shared or engaged, right? It happens. Don't give up. Keep creating your content. Affiliate marketing, no doubt, could be one of my favorite topics to discuss with my fellow ambitious and determined female entrepreneurs. That's why I made a wide range of instructional materials to help aspiring affiliate marketers and those who have just started their affiliate marketing venture to really maximize their time and efforts to building and nurturing a business that is built for long-lasting success. Sign up for the Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp, an online workshop that will provide in-depth knowledge and techniques of setting up and running a profitable affiliate marketing business online bound for lasting success. Advanced techniques, proven methods, and best practices in making highly effective and profitable referrals, plus more, will be discussed to make sure you are equipped with the knowledge and tactics to set up your very own affiliate marketing business online right away. Sign up now to get access to this online workshop created with the goal to inspire and motivate you to start now, today, and never give up on building the life that you so deserve. Sign up link can be found in the description box below. Make sure to check out the links to other instructional materials and some more passive income ideas as well. Check out the M360 Entrepreneurs with Dr. Melva Facebook group, our community of purpose-fueled women determined and driven to start building their wealth. It's a great environment where women share inspiration and encourage each other to start building wealth and achieve their goals in life. Link in the description box below. More videos where I talk about digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, empowering women to monetize their purpose. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. See you again soon.